with this recipe, I combined all of my dry ingredients, my wet ingredients, and my dates. On the side for a mise en place, add cashew butter, avocado oil, and vanilla extract in addition to 14 softened or room temperature medjool dates to a high-speed blender. Add half cup of soy milk to make sure that everything liquefies really nicely, and 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. If it seems too thick, no worries, just add a little bit of soy milk. For the dry ingredients combined, I will leave them all in the description because there's quite a few. You can add cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever you choose. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and with a spoon or spatula combine until everything is nicely absorbed and homogeneous. Have a taste test to adjust any seasonings. To a baking tray, add your granola and spread to a really nice thin sheet, which we will bake in the oven for about 25 to 27 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 C. Pull out the granola once it's done baking for the first time, and we're going to take 2 baking trays and spread half of the granola on one and half on the other, cut up into pea-sized pieces to ensure that everything bakes nice and small and evenly. We're going to bake again at 240 Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours, mixing every 45 minutes. And don't worry if it doesn't seem super hard in the oven, it will crisp as it cools. It can then be stored for up to a month at room temperature. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.